I say is we rolling. I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider. So boom. Let me set the scene for y'all real quick. Real quick, like, I got a young lady. She got a flat tire on the front of this Lincoln Navigator. It's the front passenger tire. And she want to get her spare tire put on, which the spare is up under there. So guess what? She called Mike Ryder to do the job because she couldn't do it for herself. And we're gonna knock this thing out. One thing about Lincoln, and I just learned this on the older Navigators, I'm guessing, their spare tire rod is up under the hood, which is crazy, where most SUVs, they usually put it in the back in that wall right there. But nevertheless, we got it. So let's go on and knock this out for them real quick. This ain't gonna take long at all. I'm gonna go on and reel this back up because she just want to put her original tire in the back. Put this back in the hood. Make sure that all three snapped in place. We good. I'm gonna crank this up because I ain't got a lot of air built up. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let's get it jacked up. I think that's the highest we gonna go. I'm grabbing a plethora of sockets because I just don't know which one it is for this one. Let's see what we're working with. See what we're working with. Too big is gonna be that 3/4. Nope. Let's get it. My jack won't come up any higher, but I need to come up some more, which is cool. I got something for that too. We're gonna bring out the big boy. Use the truck jack on it. We on now, let's go. That's all I needed. Let's go. Sometimes it takes 2 jacks to lift them up. When I hurt my back last year, I went down a ton on a jack. It's a 2.5 ton. No, that's a 2 ton. I'm sorry. I went from a 3 to a 2. My 3 ton, it would have lifted up and still had something to play with. But we got tools for that. NASCAR, is you ready? Let's make sure the air right in this tire. $40 on the head, let's go. I'm done, but y'all don't go nowhere. Remember, I got a surprise for you. The customer just came out, y'all, right there. All right, I got it going. Everything is good. Original tire in the back, spare tire in the front. I put your rod back up under the hood. You're good to go.
Alrighty. So what's your phone number so I can sell?
You don't owe me anything. It's on me. It's on me.
No.
Look, hey, my sister told me something a couple years ago, and it's so true.
What?
Mike, my name Mike. You are so blessed because you bless others.
Yes, I believe that, but
I'm about to put these tires up, and I'm headed home.
And can you believe after all that, she still ended up paying? Black folks, I tell you.